first Tiny 2.
The first Tiny 2. So let's go crazy!
Woohoo!
Hi, I'm Muriel and welcome to another crazy ride. And in this video I'm going to share some fun that we are having with organizing a motorbike event, the Tiny 2. As I told you in the video on the Friends 800, and I will share the link, we are members of the Friends on Wheels Antwerp and form a small group, Friends on Wheels Brabant. And every year Friends on Wheels Antwerp organize their big event, the Big Five, and we thought it would be fun to organize a smaller event, the Tiny 2. So we've got a very early start because we still have to get our start point ready. So we're off to the Vresselse Hut.
That's a nice English name.
Well, it's a bit grey, Johan.
Yeah, it's still great, but it will clear up during the day.
Are you the weatherman now?
Yes, correct.
I hope you are right, darling. I am very glad I didn't clean my bike yet after our English trip.
So it's a nice little ride. It's about 35 minutes to the Vresselse Hut.
Vresselse Hut, and that's our start, lunch and end point of this ride. Yeah, and the color's going to be beautiful if the sun comes out.
Mm-hmm.
It's like early autumn, so we'll have some changing of the leaves already. And our friends are already there. So this is already the day after. And we had a beautiful day yesterday. And we had fun, didn't we?
And a beautiful night. Lots of beers and talking to friends.
Yeah, that was afterwards because we had some like 30 friends, mainly friends of Wheels Antwerp, that stayed in the hotel in Eindhoven. And that was nice as well. But I wanted to talk about the Tiny 2 itself.
Aha! Tiny 2 was wonderful. All people returned with a big smile on their face and really enjoyed the ride, especially the weather, of course, and the stops that we organized.
Yeah, and to be honest, because well, this is the day after and we do the ride ourselves on the bikes for the last time, and I can see why everyone had a smile on their face coming back.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is a nice ride, and I think yesterday after a few beers, but I'm not sure, we decided that there is gonna be another Tiny 2, but not every year, so not next year, but 2024. Yeah?
Yes,
Is that a deal?
that's the deal.
Okay, and well, we're gonna do the last part of this ride. So if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you don't want to miss all the other fun that we're doing with motorbikes, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to keep going crazy now, you can watch another video of something fun that we did in the middle of the screen.